Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on Discord mobile. So if you want to change your voice on communications, on voice call, or on Discord mobile, you can just follow these steps right here. You can just find the voice changer or voice effects applications on Play Store or App Store. So let's just go to the Play Store in here, click on search and find voice changer application. You can see there are lots of options: voice changer, voice effects, voice changer and sound effects, or voice is AI. So you can just choose which one to use. For example, I'm going to just use one with a highest rating, this one. You can just install it on your device. Wait until the uh, download and installing process is finished. So now once the voice changer application is installed on your phone, you can just open the application. Okay, so now what you need to do is just tap on this microphone icon. And then you can just start talking or just record this. Here you can directly go to the Discord application and then change the voice input into this voice changer app, or you can also record it just like this and then tap on stop. And after that you can just change the voice of you by choosing the voice effect just like this. So when you play the video, you can again go back to the Discord application here, and then you can just go to the settings, click on you, click on this gear icon, find the voice option and change the input mode into the voice changer, and you can just use it to the voice call also. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you think so, don't forget to click on this like button and don't forget to click on the thanks and subscribe to our channel. But if you still have question, you can always leave a comment down below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.